In this video, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoins using PayPal using the CoinPal service. First, go to coinpal.endrix.com and you'll be presented with this order form. In order to make a purchase, you have to have a verified PayPal account. So I'll enter my verified PayPal email address in the form. And then I'll confirm my email address by entering it again. I want to buy 10 Bitcoins, and I'll enter my Bitcoin receiving address there. I click continue. It presents me with the details of my order. So the exchange rate right now is 30 cents for 10 Bitcoins. That's the purchase price. PayPal is going to charge 39 cents in fees, so those are passed through to you. Then a convenience fee for using the service, the grand total, and the effective exchange rate for this purchase. That all looks good to me. I'll click continue. Now it tells me that they sent me an email, so I'll go look on my email. There it is. And there's this link here. For the sake of the demo, I'm going to copy and paste my confirmation link back to my other screen here. So I confirm my email. It shows me the details, 10 Bitcoins for $3.48. Yeah, that's right. That's what I agreed to before. Click buy.